What would you say are some strategies we can follow to help develop a habit around being able to self-coach?
One thing I would say is coaching should not be episodic, okay? It should be every day. When you have an opportunity to coach and you see an opportunity to help somebody be better, take that opportunity and ask them, say, would you like some feedback? And give them that coaching today. You know, too many people wait for coaching to happen when you have your mid-year review, your annual performance review. You know, they make it episodic versus every day. So now one thing I would coach everybody to do is, you know, I really believe in what I appreciate more effective method. Okay. You know, if I tell you, you know, gee, Shali, I really appreciate this about the way how you're doing your job, these three things, you know, then you're going to at least understand that, you know, I have some appreciation for what you do. And then I say, and, not but, I think you could be even more effective if you did these two or three things. Okay. You know, then your mind is open because, you know, I at least appreciate what you do. And then you provide the coaching in a very positive way. I really believe that appreciate more effective models, great coaching model, and do it every day. You know, we trained our people at Yum Brands on it, and we talk about it in the book because it's something that you can do every day. And please don't wait until the annual review where people are surprised. You know, help people start getting better today, not tomorrow. You know, people can get better today. Help them today. Don't wait.